Hello guys, this is the test of the SONY ULT FIELD 1 and it starts right now.
You might drop dead, metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the source, they don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, till that scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it, negative energy, I expect it, once it's in your mind, it's infectious, so fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective, my adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened, and if you